Hello again. Let's speak about Tsotsi chapter 7. So in the previous chapter, Tsotsi was closing in on Morris Chabalala. Now we see that chase continue within this chapter. We see that Tsotsi will now close in on Morris, on his prey, after nearly losing him. But as we see him closing in on his prey, we see Tsotsi's nature is most definitely changing. He's now contemplating, feeling things he's never felt before, and in fact, he's starting to feel sympathy for the beggar. He starts remembering more about his past life, especially the yellow bitch, his dog. He's starting to gain more flashes of his past life. Whereas he tried to suppress it, not remember it, beating Boston for asking questions about it, his past is now catching up to him. He's starting to gain feelings again. He's starting to gain humanity again. He's becoming a more decent person again as he starts remembering, and he starts actually feeling sympathy, which is something he's never felt for a victim. Now he feels sympathy. He's starting to feel for this man. And that is something that he has never experienced. And the past starts coming back, more memories start flooding in, and his nature starts changing. And we see Tsotsi's redemption truly now starting to take shape. Then Tsotsi closes in on Morris. Morris has left his coins underneath a lamppost in the hope, like, okay, you're here for my money, just take the money and leave me. But Tsotsi kicks away the money. He wants to get to Morris. And then when he gets to Morris, they engage in this conversation. And this conversation eventually leads to Morris asking Tsotsi, but why do you have to kill me? And Tsotsi thinks and he's like, but I don't. Morris again asks, why do you have to kill me? And he's like, I don't. And Tsotsi comes to this realization. Life and death is in his hands. It's a choice. It's not inevitable. Whereas he always thought he had to kill a person. It is not inevitable. He realizes that he has a choice whether or not to kill his victims. So now we see Tsotsi then takes a step back and he's like, but I don't have to. And he spares Morris Chabalala's life because of that conversation and the realization that he does not need to kill. So we truly see the change in Tsotsi's nature. Something that has never happened before has now happened. And he spared a victim and he walked away a better man. Continually getting these flashes of the past, but now the redemption has truly started for Tsotsi. Have an awesome day.